Colpac is a British designer and manufacturer of paperboard food packaging. We manufacture food packaging that balances functionality and sustainability, sourcing sustainably, lightweighting materials, using recycled content, extending shelf life to reduce food waste, and designing for recycling. Our environmental management systems underpin the reduction of our impact. Our flagship Net Zero programme leads the way for companies of our size. We partner with industry experts to reduce our impact and work towards validated targets. Investment in nature and packaging donations support our local community. We manufacture responsibly, continuously improving efficiency, powering our factory with 100% renewable energy and sending zero waste to landfill. All our commitments drive us towards a more sustainable future. Colpac, your creative packaging partner.